So one of the things that I've been working on that I'm pretty excited to show everybody or kind of explain is the BIM execution plan. So the BIM execution plan is one of those things that happens early on in the project. And it's a simple legal document that you document. And then most of the time what happens, it gets archived, right? So it's a Word document, a Google Doc, but then it gets put into either a Google Drive, a folder. And then if you're a good BIM manager, you end up updating it. But in reality, it's hard to keep everybody's BIM execution plan updated. So sometimes it gets updated, sometimes it doesn't. And if you're working on a large company like myself, where that's thousands of different buildings, in this city and around the world, it's hard to keep every single one of the projects updated. So one of the really cool things about the dashboard, or the ability to connect to the Autodesk Cloud, the Revit API, and also our project systems, is that everything changes at once. So as soon as one thing actually updates, it updates all the BIM execution plans. So if you've onboarded somebody new onto your project, it updates the BIM execution plan. If the deadline changes, it updates the BIM execution plan. If your Revit version, software version, you move to something like Tekla or some other software, it updates. And all of this happens through the whole kind of system as the Autodesk Cloud system updates, as the Revit API system updates, and as your finance updates. All of it updates your BEP plan. And this is one way to scale your BEP plan. So one of the things I'm really excited to share with the community is this kind of new way of thinking, especially with AI, and using vibe code and using JSON files to kind of drive the innovation of being able to update the BEP plan using AI. And anyways, I would love to hear what you guys are working on. And thanks again for watching.